Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Meet Lady Landfill. She's where my husband works. His job is to go in, collect up anything that's in houses that have been already sold, and then of course he's got to get rid of that stuff, and then goes in and he remodels, repairs, and does whatever before they go to market. This doll was sitting in the windowsill of one of those houses. He told his co-worker, said, my wife likes to work on these things, so I'm going to take this to her. I could see what she could be and not what she is right now. Her hair, I have no idea what that is. No idea. I can see out here that she's a 1963. I don't know. I'm not familiar. E-E-G-E-E. I don't know if that's, you say the letters, or it's like E-G or something. I don't know. But I want to clean her up. But it's not going to do me much good to clean her up if I can't get her eyes open. So I'm going to try my best to get her eyes open. I did pop her head off to see what kind of eyes she had, and they are the open closed, because she's so messed up that I thought maybe they were painted on eyes and her eyelashes were missing, but they're not. She's a open closed eyed doll. I tried to insert a picture, but let's see if we can get some WD working on these bad boys. I have no idea what this stuff is, but maybe it's so old. I feel like there's no sense in wasting time, so I got my acne wash with the benzoyl peroxide in it. I always get too much. I just thought I'd go ahead and do this while she's sitting out here with her hair soaking. She's really in great shape underneath all that dirt. She was just real dirty. It's not that sunny today, so I don't know if this will help. The only damage on her is her, looks like her toe. Okay, I've got her laying on top of my car. Her body looks really good overall. Future me here after getting done with the doll. Her bath footage just didn't make it. It got deleted. I don't know what happened to it. But don't worry, because you're going to see plenty of hair combing, eye fixing. Speaking of eyes, her eyes, I did break them, or they were broken. I don't know which. I think I done it, most likely. I had hours of hair footage, so I just put in several clips of it because that was a lot of something in her hair that was really messed up. So also I said her body looked good, and it did look good, but her face has got some other things. You'll see a lot of fails in this video, and I just kept hanging in there because I'm trying to finish what I started. Okay, I've got some boiling water, and it's hot. Actually, I'm gonna cut it off, let it not be as hot. So I've got some boiling water here that I've done cut it off. I've got our doll head here. I've combed her hair out, and it looks much better than it did. I'm going to do a boil wash on her, but I'm not just going to put just her hair in there. I'm going to put her whole head in there, and I'll tell you why. I'm hoping these eyes that are broken will pop out, and then if it will focus, you'll see a mark on her chin and a mark on her nose, and I'm hoping some of that will come out. So some material has like a little memory on it, and it wants to go back to its original form when it's heated, and I'm hoping that'll work a little bit for her at least. If not, I have plan B's for all these things. I hope her hair don't come out from the glue melting, but we'll see how that goes. So here we go. That did not help her hair, her eyes, or her skin. She is sanitized, I will say that, but her hair just shriveled. If you notice, I'm trying to get her eyes to pop out like they say you can, and these just are not working. Her face did squish up. It didn't help the marks on her face either, so that was a complete fail. But I left it in here because, you know, these type things are hit or miss, and so I leave some of the misses in my videos also. On to plan B for everything. This is white putty. You get it like for $1. I think I got mine at the Dollar General. But with her eyes not coming out and they're broken, I figured this is about the only thing left for me to do. So this is my plan B. And later in the video, you'll see me working with something called water stickers. If you've never worked with water stickers, they're very interesting. Here's another fail. I tried to roll that stiff hair up. Yeah, it ain't curling. Well, I finally got a success. There was that scar on her nose there. So I just took a little piece of, I call it bling, just a little bitty piece of it, and made her a nose ring to cover up that little scar. So she has a faux nose ring. And I think it turned out pretty cute, and that thing ain't moved. So I'm going to consider that a success. Okay, these are the water stickers I'm talking about. So you see, I have pages and pages of eyes. I ordered them on Amazon. They were less than $10. If you don't have the patience of Job, don't even try them. I lose. Oh, I've put on many eyes on this doll. I practiced. It said to practice them, and you do have to practice them to kind of get the feel of how to do it. The reviews online was that they got some really bad reviews, said the people can't get them off the paper or whatever. The trick is they're water stickers. You have to drop them in water and then get them out, and then they just kind of come off the paper, and they'll come off so well that you might lose them. But the eyes I put on her there, I don't even get to keep those because you'll see a big fail here in a minute. But you know how she had that hole in her toe? Well, I just used some yellow air putty, puttied it up and painted her toe, and it turned out real well. Now, I noticed at the end of, I've had this doll for a while, and at the end of the video, I noticed that the paint had come off the bottom of her foot, but it was still on the top of her toe real well. And I think that worked really, really well for her toe. So success number 2. Well, here comes a big fail. After I got those eyes on, I was so happy because they turned out right. I thought, well, I'll seal them in with a little fingernail polish clear coat. And when I touched it to the sticker, it pretty much disintegrated. So that was a major fail. I do replace them. Yeah, I replace them with a different color eyes, but they end up turning out okay. Well, on to the hair. This doll is old and I'm cheap. And so I was trying to fix her with things that were laying around the house, or I could get from the Dollar Tree. And so that's some play hair from the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and I'm just trying to sew it into that thick hair. Her hair was still too thin on top, and I was out of brown, so I thought, why not have a little fun and add a little purple? I like the purple color with the dark hair. Some of my family members wear it that way, so this one's for you guys. Well, it was the devil getting that behind that braid, but I do get it back there eventually. Some things I didn't put on the video. This video had been super long. I did paint her lips. Then after I painted her lips, I watered that down and made her a little blush. And also, if you notice, she's got like a birthmark or mole, or whatever you call it. I painted that on and put a couple more on their side. Makes her look pretty relatable, I think, and that was a way to cover up that missing plastic there. So, yeah, I think she's on her way now. If you can't tell what I'm doing here, I had to break out those water stickers again, and this time put her some eyebrows on because I had took off her eyebrows purposely because one was so much lighter than the other. Well, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. You'll have to tell me if you think I made it 85% better. I think I came pretty close. So, anyway, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Well, one more thing before I go. I don't think I'll call her Lady Landfill anymore. She just doesn't look like that. I kind of think she looks like a Sabrina. What do y'all think? Now, see you in the next one. Bye.